When working on a building of such historical significance, it's important to preserve it and think about the lifetime well and truly beyond ours and the lives of our clients. This was a project about converting the former office into a family home whilst respecting the essence of the house's history and historical significance and preserving it for many years to come. My name is Zac. I'm the director of Bunston and the architect of Kesterson House. We are located on the unceded lands of Bunurong, also known as St Kilda, Victoria. The suburb is full of life and personality. It's a very exciting place to live and there's always lots going on. So the house was originally built in 1875 for a gentleman called William Kesterson. Kesterson owned several properties in the area, including the Prince of Wales Hotel. Initially, the brief was quite simple. There was a new kitchen, an ensuite, and some storage cupboards. While simple in nature, the real brief was transforming the feel of the house into a family home. Much of the existing building remained relatively unchanged and office lights hanging all over the place. It was hard to imagine living in the space and our clients, hosting an event or lounging in the living space. Quite an extensive part of the project was restorative works. The building was replumbed, rewired. We rebuilt the chimneys and replaced the slate roof. We and our clients like to think that we've extended the lifetime of this project and hopefully is appreciated for many years to come. When arriving, you are met with the old historical facade of Kesterson House. Walking through the house and opening the front door, there's a view through the existing building onto a window seat which frames the courtyard garden. This acts as an extension of the hallway and features throughout all the new living spaces created in this house. We retained a detached dining room which is linked to the other living spaces through the courtyard garden. Very early on in the design process, we decided that the kitchen was going to be linked directly with the living area. This allowed someone to be cooking in the kitchen whilst having a conversation with someone on the couch. This kitchen and living area then flows directly onto the outdoor entertaining area. There's a view back on the existing facade of the building, which is totally covered in Boston ivy. It's intimate, it's private, and it's perfect for entertaining. The kitchen occupies a relatively small floor area, and as a result, we needed all the spaces to work really hard. The ladder that we designed offers accessibility to those cupboards, and we powder coated it to match the Laminex's burnt ochre colour. The pantry was designed to be open and on full display. The selection of burnt ochre come as a surprise. There's a degree of playfulness and an element of fun within that pantry internals. Our selection of materials was really important, particularly in bringing the outside in. Laminex's green slate is a colour found within the Boston ivy and acts as an extension of that vine creeping in. I particularly love how the absolute matte finish holds the light, and it's got a diffuse quality which is forever changing throughout the day. It was also really amazing that Laminex is an Australian-made product. That's really important to us as an office when specifying products. We're conscious of where products come from, how they're made, and the impact that they have on the environment. It's difficult to imagine this house and this renovation without the glass link. The light that filters through there changes throughout the year and throughout the day, and is the only built junction between the old part of the house and the new. Our client likes to believe that this house isn't really theirs and they're just looking after it for future owners. It's about caring for a historic home and doing what's best for the house and its lifetime. And I think there's something beautiful in that. Looking back on this project, it's amazing to see how it's changed and influenced our clients' lives. Fair to say it's an amazing residence to entertain in. It's a place which our clients feel is truly their home, and it's a place that's one where they feel like they belong.